Hi there! Today, I'll show you how to use the monthly budget template, which can be purchased on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. With this template, you can easily keep track of your money, avoid overspending, and reach your savings goals faster. Before getting started, take a moment to look at the instructions on the first page. They'll give you a clear picture of how the model works. There are just 2 steps to follow. Step 1, filling in your main categories and budget. Step 2, entering your current cash flow. After reading the instructions, move on to the budget sheet. Before entering your budget data, you need to define the period. This can be a month, 2 weeks, or a week. Let's take a month as an example. The next step is to select your base currency. You can enter data in multiple currencies, and all amounts will be automatically converted into the base currency. To begin filling in the basic data, you need to specify the main categories in the income, needs, wants, and savings tables. Let's enter examples of income categories. And enter the budget amount. The actual data and progress refresh automatically, and the currency symbol is applied automatically. Let's enter the categories in the needs table. And enter the budget amount. This data is also updated automatically. Enter categories in a table of wants. Enter the budget. Enter categories in a table of savings. Enter the budget. The model is created in English, but if you need to translate the tables into other languages, our tool, TranslateHub, can help. It's quick, accurate, and easy to use. You'll find the link in the description. Coming back to the template, I wanted to explain something. For convenience, cells where you need to enter data are highlighted in light blue, while cells with formulas that update automatically are highlighted in light pink. It is important not to edit cells with formulas, as this will mess up the calculations. After setting up the categories and budget, the next step is the transactions table. This is where you mark your actual budget data. In the table, you need to fill in all columns except the amount column, which is calculated automatically. Let's enter data by category. The drop-down lists for categories are created automatically from the data in the tables above. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. We have filled in the transaction table and now move on to analytics. The data in these tables is updated automatically. Based on it, you can analyze how effectively your budget is being used. The charts on this sheet are also updated automatically using the data from the transactions table. The income distribution chart displays the structure of your income. The cash flow summary chart helps you visually compare actual results with your budget. The allocation summary chart helps you visually compare the percentages of your income distribution. Also below is a chart and table of expenses. The chart and table are updated automatically. This information will help you manage your spending. Fill in your own budget and discover how simple it is to manage your money. You can grab this template from the link in the description. And if you want something more custom, our team can create a table of any complexity just for you. We also have templates with resale rights and an open affiliate program. Hope you're in a great mood and have a productive day.